My plastic surgery date is fast approaching, but as of today, my HGB is 10.3. Is it possible to check my hemoglobin level regularly at home?
Pregnant, not convenient to hospital. How can I check my iron deficiency regularly at home?
My kids, picky eaters. How can I know if she has anemia or not?
I have a chronic illness. How can knowing my hemoglobin level be at home more simple?
Now you find the right place. MedAsia store is only working for people who have anemia, kidney disease problems. Our goal is to help people fight anemia problems and kidney disease at home.
Enjoy testing for the whole family. Chronic disease monitor for old people. Checking hemoglobin level of pregnancy. Sick people hemoglobin level checking. Anemia monitoring for kids. What a renal function meter can do for you. Chronic disease monitor for old people. Obese people tested for kidney damage. Checking for kidney damage in diabetic patients. Screening for kidney damage in patients with hypertension. Test anytime, any occasion. At home, in travel, at work, in hospital.
I received the meter in time and I am happy to get the additional anemia guide, which helped me a lot. Now I am 13.1 grams per deciliter.
I provided it for my academic studies. Thank you very much for your support, fast shipping, humane approach, and your sincerity. I would recommend it to those who are considering buying it because it is a practical product.
MedAsia store for a better life. Thanks for watching. Let's fight for anemia and renal disease.